We already have tons of tutorials out there on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and pretty much everywhere showing you how to build workflows in ATN. But here's the catch. Once you've built those workflows correctly, what's the next step? That's something you'll hardly find explained anywhere. No worries, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to build the fastest travel guide assistant powered by the SambaNova API key and SambaNova hosted models. I'll show you how to turn your ATN workflows into chat inference, so they respond like a real AI assistant. Today we build a travel guide support agent, fast, smart, reliable, all without a single line of code. Let's jump in now. Go to N8N and create a new workflow. Then search for AI agent. Click on chat message and give your agent a name, add a title, subtitle, and a greeting. Turn on the option to make chat publicly available. For authentication, select None for now. You can always customize it later. Now it's time to add a system prompt. This sets the role and behavior of your AI assistant. Now it's time to set up our chat model using the SambaNova API key. This will connect our workflow directly to a powerful LLM so we can start sending prompts and getting responses instantly. Step 4 is to add simple memory to our agent so it can remember previous interactions and respond in a more natural, human-like way. We're almost done. Let's run a simple test now to make sure everything works before we go live. Final step, go back to the received chat message, copy the first chat URL and open it in a new window. Make sure your workflow is active and enjoy your no-code chatbot in N8N, powered by SambaNova at lightning fast speed. Upgrade to the SambaNova developer tier and start building the tools your business needs at the lowest cost and the fastest speed. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.